Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Harris pontoon. This is a 250 Grand Mariner, and it's a beautiful, beautiful pontoon. Triple tube. We have the Vantage protection product on the exterior for the tune wraps, the midnight blue exterior color with the silver rails. This is a really nice pontoon. Another cool feature to this one is this actually has sea legs on it as well. So you're going to have the automatic legs that drop down underneath the boat when you're in 5 feet or less of water. Powered by a Merc 250 Verado. This is a nice setup. Let's take a look at the inside of the boat. Alright, so on the interior of this boat, it's set up with the single rear lounger, nice helm. You've got the Simrad built into the dash here, as well as the upgraded Polk audio. This boat only has 78.9 hours on it. As you can see, we've also got the accent lighting throughout the entire interior of the boat on the cup holders and the seat faces. This is the entertainment center style. So we've got that nice little setup right here. Coming around the front of the boat, we've also got the extra bow jump cushion. So it's a nice little accessory to have. Gives you a little bit extra seating on here. So a really nice boat. Come into Rogers, Minnesota, MarineMax, and take a look. Thank you.